Yay, it's Fascinator Day. Let's learn how to make this cute fascinator. I made this fascinator for a little girl of 7 year old. So sit in class and enjoy the class. If you're new, this is KuchiElla Crafts. Thank you for coming. Here we learn how to make detailed hairpieces. Let's go. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for coming back. Let's go to class. To make this fascinator, these are the things we are going to use. Measurement tape, an Alice band, Regeline boning, the sewable boning, satin on any fabric of choice, feathers, any feathers you want to use, and scissors, obviously. Then from these feathers, I start pulling out the long ones. I just want to use the longer ones. These feathers has combination of long, short, and medium. So the longest ones, I pull them out and I keep them aside as I'm doing in the video. I eventually used about 20 feathers or less, 15 to 20 feathers. Look at the design we want to get from the feathers. Look at them. And look at, if you're looking at these feathers, you see there are two different shapes, three different shapes, from this to this to this. So see how to trim it. I brought this thing here because the trims from the feathers, they fly everywhere, and I'm trying to curtail it from moving everywhere. Okay, so you get the one you pulled out and trim it like so. Just follow what I'm doing carefully so that you don't get lost. You see what I've done here? Now this is the shape. Just make sure you've trimmed off any excess that you missed out. So after trimming it like this, that is how I got all these ones here. Then to get it to this point, which is the one we actually want, you now take this one that you have trimmed again and trim it like this. See what I'm doing? In all the things you're doing, try not to cut the stalk, this one, the stalk at the middle. So this is just all I'm doing. When you're done with that side, you turn it over to the other side. So when you are done, just dust it off so that gently dust it off so that everything that is not the unwanted ones will fall out. See what I have? This is the one I just made. Cut 2 yards of Regeline boning, 72 inches. Then cut satin fabric or the fabric you're using, 72 inches still by 2 inches. So the width is 2 inches, the length is 72 inches. Then you sew it like I'm sewing it in this video. All right. The idea is to get the Regeline boning inside the strip, which is now looking like a bias of fabric. Put it inside and sew it. When you sew it, you wrap it round. At the end of the day, nobody will see the Regeline boning inside, and you sew. So looking at it, see what we've made now. So it's all looking like a long strip. Okay, that's our entire bias now. So what we do now is to couple it together. After sewing the boning together with the satin fabric, then you go and iron it to be very flat before we now put them together. Want to do. So we are going to do this. Watch what I do. With your glue gun, you glue it. So this is what I have. All right. Then the next thing will be to fix it on the Alice band. It's going to be like this on the Alice band. Like this on the Alice band. All right. Then you get a matching thread and fold it. Like I folded mine into four so that I'll use it to tie this. Then we tie it. So this is what we have. So the next thing will be, I'll start fixing these feathers, different areas. So see, just anywhere you want, fix it. But anywhere you fix it, note that you will hold it down with glue. So see the way I'm fixing it. See what it's giving me. So anyone I put, I'm going to hold it down with glue. Let me show you how to hold it down with glue. Like this one. The place you want to put it, put the glue there. Please be very careful. This glue can mess your work up, so you have to be very careful not to mess it up. All right. So I've glued this one. So when you figure out where you want to put any glue, any feather, you put glue in it. So I've glued this and this. I'll still continue to glue the others. So I'm done. Eventually, see what it looks like now, right? Everything has been glued. So eventually I used about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, roughly about 15 feathers, all right? Okay, so I need to cover here and cover the back. See how I do it. I have different things I will want to use. I can put this one here and that will do the job. Or I can put anything, just anything of choice that you have available, use it. I can decide to use this one here, like so, or place it like this. This can work, or place this one just like that. So I really don't know, but I'll choose one and put. But I think I should put this. So let's use that one. Then I'll apply glue on it. Now I've done here, then I cut out any fabric of choice, but so this is what is available to me, and that's what I will use. Cut it out. I just want it to be a circle. Just follow what I'm doing, please. I need a very small fabric. It can be a circle, it can be a square. So, as I have this now, I will bond the edges. So that it doesn't fray anymore, right? Then I will pull this thing off from the turn it. You see where it is? You see the rough side? I will place it on it. That's what it's supposed to look like. So let me apply the glue, and I'll place it on it. This is it. So I'm trying to remove all the glue hanging around. So we have come to the end of making this beautiful, simple fascinator. An adult can wear it, a little child can wear it. This one is for a little child. So if you're making for an adult, you can increase the size. You see how cute it looks on the dummy. Thank you for participating in this class. I appreciate you for watching. Please, I beg now, please subscribe and turn on your notification. Turn on your notification. You have not turned it on. Thank you. See you in the next class.